Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing that you've made money while you were sleeping. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. In 2026, AI and technology have opened the door to passive income opportunities that almost anyone can start. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 realistic passive income ideas that can help you build wealth over time, even if you're starting with a small budget. Welcome to CapitalMind, where we help you master money, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. Let's dive into the 5 passive income ideas that anyone can start in 2026. The first passive income idea is creating AI-powered digital products. Today, AI can help you create ebooks, planners, templates, prompt packs, online courses, and printable products faster than ever before. Once your product is created, you can sell it repeatedly on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website, without worrying about inventory or shipping. The best part? You create it once and can potentially earn from it for years. Passive income idea number 2. Affiliate marketing remains one of the easiest ways to start earning online. The concept is simple. You recommend products or services through special affiliate links. Whenever someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. You can promote products through YouTube videos, blogs, TikTok content, Instagram pages, or niche websites. As your audience grows, your affiliate income can continue generating revenue long after your content is published. Passive income idea number 3. Third on our list is dividend investing. When you buy dividend-paying stocks, some companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders through regular dividend payments. While investing carries risks, consistently investing over time can help build a portfolio that generates passive income and benefits from compound growth. The key is patience. Wealth is often built slowly through consistency. Passive income idea number 4. The fourth passive income idea is building a faceless YouTube channel. With AI voiceovers, stock footage, and editing tools, you can create valuable content without showing your face. Once videos gain views, income can come from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. Many successful creators run entire channels from their laptops while staying completely anonymous. Passive income. Idea number 5. The fifth passive income idea is print on demand. You create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and phone cases. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles the printing and shipping for you. This means you don't need inventory, warehouses, or large upfront investments. Once your designs gain popularity, they can continue generating sales with minimal effort. Remember, passive income is not about getting rich overnight. It's about building systems that continue working for you over time. Whether you choose AI-powered digital products, affiliate marketing, dividend investing, YouTube automation, or print on demand, the most important step is to start. Which passive income idea interests you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to CapitalMind for more content on money, investing, and financial freedom.